Now we have done the calculation of GNP at market price and GDP at market price. We can also do the calculation of GNP at factor cost and GDP at factor cost. So just remember the values of GNP, because GNP at factor cost formula is GNP at market price, right, minus net indirect taxes. That makes up the formula for the GNP at factor cost. Same way, GDP at factor cost, that means we have to just remove net indirect taxes to get the factory cost of the national output of the country. So we just minus GDP at market price. See, the formulas are similar. We have to just remove net indirect taxes. So we get GDP at factor cost. Let's do this calculation as well here itself. So for that, I'll just remove some part. Since you have done the copying of all these answers, I'll simply solve this sum here. $450 was a GNP and at market price, and 455 was the GDP at market price. So just putting these values, let us see GNP at factor cost. So for that we need GNP at market price, which we have taken. It is 450 rupees. 450 minus, we have to find out net indirect tax. Let's see what is net indirect tax. That is subsidies, indirect tax minus subsidies. So it is 70 minus 20. 70 minus 20 is our net indirect tax. So we get it as 450 minus 50. So you get the answer of 400 rupee as our GNP at factor cost. Similarly, GDP at factor cost, we use the formula GDP at market price, which was 455. So rupees 455 was a market price of GDP minus 70 minus 20. So we get 455 minus 50. So the answer is 405. So rupees 405 becomes our GDP at factor cost. Thank you.